because I'm the only tourist you find.
That's okay. What's your name, by the way?
Jay.
Jay, nice to meet you. My name, you can call me Muad.
Muad.
So you told me that you are living in Agadir, right?
Yes.
How did you have the idea to live here in Morocco?
Why I choose Morocco?
Why did you choose to live in Morocco?
Easy. Weather is nice, people are nice, and security is good, and healthcare is good.
Everything is good.
Everything is good.
All right.
For us.
And what do you think about the holiday here, this ceremony, what you see?
It's very interesting. A little bit too many people, but I love it.
But you are a person who like to so much people, or you like to...
I don't like too many people.
Yeah. You still didn't get hit by someone or not?
What?
Someone hit you in your back.
It's okay, it's not bothering me. It comes with the party.
Yeah, because in the ceremony we have that we need to give a like a hit in the back.
It's
that's
not
okay for you. Okay, that's good. Do you still know another language, another word with Arabic besides this?
Yes, I know. Shukran jazilan. Yamuka jamil.
Yamuka jamil.
Yamuka jamil.
Ah, okay.
صاحبي Dcheira Agadir.
And what kind of food you like here in Morocco so much?
Of course, tajin.
Tajin with meat or chicken?
Chicken.
So thank you for your time.
No problem.
Enjoy,
Anytime.
and I wish you the best life and have a good evening.
We love your country. We love the people here.
Oh, that's good.
The best people on the world.
Yeah, enjoy.
I traveled many countries,
really?
But I like Morocco the best. Yes.
Morocco people are crazy. They are humble.
No, but they're very generous. And when they see you a problem, they come to help you.
So much.
They're not racist at all.
Yeah,
you know
because
why
we are here, why we have this, because we are Muslims, and in our region.
Not every Muslim like this.
No, of course.
I know, because I was in Saudi Arabia, they're not like this. In Dubai, not like this.
Okay.
Moroccan people are very generous and very helpful.
Other people from another country, they are nice too, but
not as much as here. I'm not saying everybody's nice here, but the majority of the population here is really nice. It's really helpful.
Yeah, I'm happy for you and enjoy your evening, and I wish you the best luck with your wife. Take care. Have a nice day. Allez, tu parles français quoi?
Oui, j'ai parlé en France. Allez, j'ai parlé avec toi en français. Avec toi.
Tu es Amazir ou quoi?
Amaziré. Moi, je suis Amaziré. Je te parle Amaziré.
Tu t'appelles quoi?
Moi, je te parle Amaziré. Je suis Amaziré.
على فيديو Amaziré.
ولا تسلحين. دcheira.
ترى كل شيء حماقة صاحبي.